In today's video, I will teach you how to do the Wong Kar Wai film effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and load the image that you want to edit. In the Layers panel, right-click on your image layer and select Duplicate Layer. This way, you'll work on a duplicated layer, keeping the original intact. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Filter, then select Camera Raw, then adjust the following settings. Then press OK to apply the adjustments. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer button and select Curves. In the RGB curve, set the input to 196 and output to 188. This will slightly flatten the contrast. Now switch to the Blue channel. Set the input to 185 and output to 196. This adds a blue tint to the shadows and green to the highlights, enhancing the cinematic look. Now click the New Adjustment Layer button again and choose Color Balance. Then set the tone to Shadows. Increase green to 20 and change the tone to midtones. Then set the green to 15 and change the tone to highlights and set yellow to +5. This creates a cool greenish tint typical of Wong Kar Wai's aesthetic. Now go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and select Grain from the options. Then adjust the grain intensity to give your image a textured and vintage feel, emulating film stock. Once satisfied with the look, go to File, then Export As, and select your preferred file format to save your cinematic image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.